Welcome everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to color the parrot with watercolors. So let's start. First of all, we will make the drawing with a very light pencil on the sheet of the paper. And now I will start the coloring. First of all, take lemon yellow color, mix very little bit of green, verdian green we will use here, and then fill the color in the whole body of the parrot. Here you can use the brush number 6 or 8. For the stem, I am using here burnt umber color with the same brush. I am using here red color for coloring the beak. First coat of the color will dry, then we will start the second coat, and for that I am using here lemon yellow color plus green. See, I am using here this parrot green color here in the wings. Brush number 3 or 4 you can use here. Mix it little bit and give the shades in some portion with the same color, using little bit of light and some places the dark. In the tail also, some places dark, you can see the feathers, some with lemon yellow and some with light green. After the first tone dry, we will use the second and then third tone, and so on. We will put some dark red in the lower part of the beak. Little bit of fur strokes with thin brush number 1 I'm using here at the mouth and on the neck also, and some part near the legs. The claws I am using here ochre yellow color mixing with burnt sienna. Now some finishing work with the dark green color. Verdian green color you will use here. You have seen the line on the neck in Indian parrot. For that you can use dark green or Persian blue. And with the same dark green color, some shaded parts we will do. Eyes will be colored with the black, and on the top of the beak, on the wings also some portions dark color shades will be there. And now come to the tail. You can see the feathers here on the tail. Here I am using burnt sienna color for the minute details. Here I am using black color for the finishing of the legs and the claws. Dark shades in the stem also with burnt umber color. The left side of the stem I have used here dark color, and the right side is of light. Mix the color very slightly. Now with a thin brush you can use your brush number 1 or 2 and make some branches additional. And see, now here our drawing is complete. Now you can see here this beautiful bird sitting on the branch. You can easily color this parrot now. So try to make this bird. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again. Till then, bye bye.